Why Jamaicans are the ultimate self-made entrepreneurs. Hey everyone! Imagine a world where your 9-to-5 job doesn't exist. Scary, right? Well, for Jamaicans, it's just a Tuesday. Welcome to the land of the ultimate self-made hustlers. Let's start with the windshield washers at Devon House and Halfway Tree. Yeah, those guys you might think are annoying beggars. Think again, mate. These folks are standing in the scorching sun for 12 hours, making a living the hard way. That's dedication, not annoyance. Cleaning windshields might seem simple, but it's their entrepreneurial spirit shining through. Then we have the security guard at Knutsford Express. This bloke wraps goods into old Amazon boxes and charges 500 Jamaican dollars. Not just a helping hand, but his side hustle. Talk about making the most of your resources. And let's not forget the street guides in downtown Kingston. These guys turn into impromptu tour guides, ensuring visitors' safety and enhancing their experience. New jobs created every day. Genius, isn't it? Next time you're at Emancipation Park and someone offers to wash your car for 1,000 Jamaican dollars, say yes. Appreciate their offer because it proves how independent and hardworking Jamaicans are. So folks, remember, Jamaicans are the epitome of self-made entrepreneurs. They transform everyday challenges into opportunities with creativity and resilience. Celebrate and support the Jamaican entrepreneurial spirit. Catch you in the next video.